Welcome to Dreamhome's Tour Luxury Designs channel, where luxury meets design. Today, we take you inside one of Los Angeles' most iconic modern mansions. A $25 million architectural masterpiece that redefines elegance, innovation, and lifestyle. Perched in the heart of Beverly Hills, this luxury estate offers panoramic views of LA's skyline and the Pacific Ocean. The structure features sleek lines, floor-to-ceiling glass, and a bold, modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the California landscape. Step inside to discover over 12,000 square feet of meticulously crafted interiors, soaring ceilings, imported marble floors, custom lighting, and open-concept living. Every room is a statement of taste and precision, designed by world-renowned architects and interior designers. This home includes a private cinema, wine cellar, infinity pool, home spa, and smart home technology throughout. The kitchen, chef-grade with state-of-the-art appliances and designer finishes. Bedrooms are luxurious sanctuaries, each with en-suite bathrooms and walk-in closets. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. From luxury, entertaining to peaceful retreat, this estate offers it all. Valued at $25 million, this property sits at the intersection of art, architecture, and elite living. If you dream of modern luxury, architectural brilliance, and breathtaking design, this home delivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end real estate tour from around the world. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a glimpse of elite living. Dream Homes Design. Real homes, real luxury, real inspiration.